Hey Grams, I got a question for you.
Okay, sweetie.
Would you ever marry someone without getting to know them personally?
Well, at my age, probably.
No, Graham, what I mean is, would you ever go on an app and just like the way that their picture looked and ask them to marry you?
Well, I don't really know what that means, but I mean, probably.
Or better yet, Grams, would you ever compare someone that you wanted to marry to their friends and base your decision on the way that their friends acted and looked?
Well, sweetie, you're so silly. No, of course not.
That would just be crazy. I know that I couldn't possibly judge someone's character based on their friends. Hello everyone, my name is Travis Poland. I am your Littleton real estate guy with the Acre Group at Berkshire Hathaway. The point I'm trying to make is that marrying someone without ever seeing them is just like trusting Zillow to value your home. You see, Zillow is an algorithm. They get their information from public data. Zillow has never seen the inside of your home, it's just a computer, and it bases the price of your home to your neighbors and what they are selling for. So it's basically the same thing as marrying someone based on their friends. A Zestimate is based solely on the size, bedroom count, bathroom, square footage, lot, etc. And it compares it to your neighbors. But they cannot take into consideration upgrades, amenities, the market, and the desirability, and the views, and the neighborhood, and the street. And if you're on a cul-de-sac, those are big items. Those are big deciding factors when people are looking for homes here in the Littleton, Colorado. So there is no way a computer can take those features into consideration when giving you the Zestimate. And all of those factors make a humongous impact on the value of your home. Here's the crazy thing. Zillow even acknowledges the lack of their accuracy, stating the fact that here in the US as a whole, Zestimates are currently within 10% of the final sale price 71.5% of the time. And they encourage you to get a more accurate evaluation by a licensed professional agent or an appraiser. That's what my team and I do. We live, we play, we've spent a lot of time, and we are growing our children here in this area. We've sold more homes than a lot of agents in the area and most in the entire nation. We take a detailed look at not only comparables, but the absorption rate, inventory levels, buyer demands, interest rates, the market climate, and as well as many other factors when determining what to list your home for, in addition to upgrades, amenities, location, etc. So remember, Zillow can vastly impact your sales bottom line. If you would like a professional assessment of the value of your home based on everything to consider from the list that I mentioned before, not just the things that we see, let me know. As a team, we have sold hundreds of homes here, right here in the Jefferson and Douglas County, and we can get you a custom proposal from a real life person who lives, works, and breathes real estate full time. I'm Travis Poland, your Littleton real estate guy with the Acre Group at Berkshire Hathaway. Have a great rest of your day, and remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones. I will see you very shortly on the next one.